Hey y'all, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. This is CryptoTakeOver, and we wanted to get started with another video here, just some updates on some things I'm seeing right now in the markets as well. So I did CryptoFace came out with another video, just a heads up with that. But like sentiment right now is like pretty unsure of, I guess, for both ends. I still am looking at that weekly time frame, 5-day, 6-day, waiting for those big green dots to still hit. My guess was the market bottom was 7,200 based on our green dots that we did have at our 5-day and 6-day. But that was a wrong estimate. So what I want to see now is I want to see more movement to the downside to get ready to possibly make up those losses, right? And maybe put in some longs there. If y'all are interested in trading, y'all can check the link in the description down below for Bybit. It is a newer trading platform. It's said to be better than BitMEX. The liquidity is trying to get up there a little bit, but please use it at your own risk. If anything, I would just recommend hodling and dollar cost averaging on your way down, but use it at your own discretion. So with that being said, I did want to say that where we are right now, at least on our 1 day, of going at our 0.5 fibs, and this Fibonacci is something that is being looked at right now, but our 0.5 to 0.618 is signifying that we did hit our golden pocket. And the way you get to these fibs on TradingView, you have to right click on the fib channel, and then you can customize the fib and put in that 6.5 area. But this is considered to be a golden pocket by most traders as well. We'll see what happens, y'all. I really am considering the 786, and I know some other people out there are considering this also, which is the 5,000 mark. Based on our weekly time frames and our higher time frames, I feel like we could consolidate here. I was watching Tony Days earlier. He basically said that if we don't see a relief rally within the next 2 days, that will probably signify more room to the downside. So what I really want to see is a big bounce within the next couple of days, maybe by Monday or Tuesday. Since we didn't see the bounce right off the bat, I am a little shaken by this. And what we wanted to see was a bounce from the 618 like we did from our 7,200 to 10K, but we did not see that. So our 6.5, where we kind of are capitulating at right now, is going to be, you know, an area that could have a chance to bounce back up. But if we don't within the next couple of days, and I would say if we don't get above 10K, I'm still going to consider there's more room to the downside. So let's say we consolidate here for another week or so. I'm going to say we're probably going to test that 786 area, maybe our 5K area as well. But that's just to know that I think we've started definitely consider that we are in our bear market still. Our funding indicator is signifying that longs are being paid out by the shorts right now, but I think we want to see this consolidate to the side a little bit longer as well. I did have some theories on why we did see this dump and what's been the reason for our 2-week long dump that we've been having. So this article was released a while back, but it was basically stablecoin crisis could wreck global finance. Fed warns a new report. So honestly, we did have Tether FUD, New York Attorney General's office, trying to see what they're doing, if they can actually prove that that all their stable money is backed by fiat. But Tether did release a statement on their Twitter saying that they were trying to get a cease and desist letter to the Attorney General's office saying that they don't have any reason to investigate them. So honestly, I feel like that's why Tether's been keeping quiet, and that the reason we haven't seen much minted from Tether. I'll go to Whale Alert here. We did see this earlier today, I believe. Yeah, yesterday. And 30 million Tether minted on our Whale Alert transaction here. So yeah, that's something that to be mindful of. But also, I did hear that this was just a a chain swap. So I think that Tether did release like a token on top of the Tron network. I forget what the token name is on the Tron network for those you know, those I can't even think of the name. Basically, the things that the Tether apps or the Tron apps. So since they released that Tether on top of the Tron network, we're starting to see you know, Tether being chain swapped over there. But I don't think that that's new money from Tether itself. So Tether's still keeping quiet, and I do believe that that is a reasoning for this downward slope here. So, like I said, if y'all are interested in supporting the channel, go ahead and find those links down in the description below. You can check them out. If you're interested in mining crypto from your web browser here, you can check out CryptoTab. Also, I have my Brave affiliate link if you want to search the web and get BAT token while you're searching the web by clicking ads that pop up for you. You can check that out. I do have my Ledger affiliate down there. I do have a Nano S and X, so I like both of them. I'd say the X is probably a little bit better just because it's easier to navigate on your phone and stuff to send and transfer. But if you really want cold storage that's even harder to get to, I would say the S is your way to go. Other than that, there are other courses down there in the links descriptions below about trading Forex, becoming a better investor. But I just wanted to release this video to y'all basically about that Tether FUD, stablecoin FUD, and really that no new money is being thrown into this market right now. Tether was our main person really minting money into this market, and we haven't really heard from them in a while. So I think that that is our biggest reason that we're seeing this downward decline right now too. And it's really just certain. I think that because bigger investors have such things as like CME and also backed, you know, being implemented, they're probably going to some of these other exchanges like backed and working with them, doing futures contracts instead of going directly to Tether and buying Bitcoin through Tether itself, you know. So that's my theory. This is all just theory, right? But what we want to see in the next few days is a big relief bounce. If not, if we consolidate here, I definitely feel like we could see some more room to the downside. So I'll keep y'all up to date on this. Really nothing too concerned with market Cipher. I think we did have a big green dot here on the 12-hour, so we'll see what happens here. Our 2-hour had a red dot put in, also with another possible like yellow X there as well. Oh no, well the yellow X was from yesterday, but then we have our we have almost a blood diamond here. Let's see if our 3-hour put in that blood diamond. No, maybe the 1-hour. Okay, not quite, but our 2-hour was showing that we did have a red X and a red diamond put in together here, or close at least. And usually if those land on top of each other, that signifies a blood diamond. So we could still see some downwards movement here relatively soon. But yeah, I'm staying out right now. I'm gonna wait to put in those higher time frame big green dots, and then I'll get back with y'all, let y'all know what's happening. But we are starting to see our funding metric change, flip sides, so that's also kind of a hint to be aware of. And I'm really going to start using this funding metric if I do decide to jump back into the market, just to know who's being funded at what direction, shorts or longs. So we'll stay on top of this with y'all. I hope that y'all keep coming back to the channel, and go ahead and like, comment, tell me what your sentiment is on this market right now, and hit the notification bell, and I'll get back with y'all soon enough. Alright, see y'all later.